Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a fun little video and put together a couple of DIY plus size Halloween outfits based on inspiration from movies and some of my favorite Halloween costume ideas. So this is just kind of like a DIY. I wanted to do it a little different. It's going to be basically ideas for you to put together from things that you might already have in your closet, so you don't have to go out there and spend 50, 60, 70 bucks on one costume that you're going to wear one time a year. So the stuff that I put together is basically from outfits that I already have in my closet, and then if I did spend any money, it was probably less, $10 or less on extra props to add to those costumes. So this is all kind of DIY. You're going to see probably from movie themes and just a couple of my favorite classic costumes, but with my twist on it. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Let me know which one was your favorite down below, and if you are dressing up for Halloween, what you're dressing up as. I would love to hear from you guys, and I hope you enjoy this video.